Hello friends, so today I'm going to demonstrate how I created this game. So I've given it a name, Rocket Adventure. So you can see here, this is the blue background. I've taken backdrop as sky, that is plain background. Then three sprites I have used. This is sprite 1, that is the rocket. Then treasure 1, treasure 2 and treasure 3. Three treasures so that I can make them fall from the sky, and we have to save this rocket from striking the sprite. So I'll show you the first how rocket, first of all how treasure will work. Each and every treasure, when we'll start this, it will start falling from the sky. So we have used forever control, and the position I have mentioned, one position is this, one position is this. So randomly all the three sprites will, treasures will fall. So glide 4 seconds. If I want to increase the speed, I have to make it 2 3. When see, I'll show you. Suppose if I will make it 1, so speed will be more. So if I want to slow down, the speed should be less. Similarly, treasure 2 and treasure 3 are programmed. The next one is the sprite. Main programming is done for the sprite. So what I have done is, when clicked show variable chance, I have given 3 chances. So 3 times if user strikes the treasure, it will get 3 times. So मैंने धवल सर का ये लिया है हेडफोन रिकॉर्डिंग करने के लिए, अभी देती हूँ. So when it will strike, so it will disappear for few seconds, again it will appear. So the chances, I have taken the value 3, so that every time it is striking, I am decrementing the value. So if right arrow is pressed, so it should move right, and left arrow is pressed, it should move left to save it from striking. So move 10 step, point this I have used 10 step because I want to increase the speed. If I will make it 2 3 4, the speed will be low. So I want to increase the speed, I want it to move smoothly, that is why I have used 10 steps. And direction 90 degree for right and minus 90 for left. Again take care that direction, when you are changing the direction, you should not use it the rotation. This should be do not rotate. Next one. So now the programming of treasure. If touching treasure, if it touches the treasure, it will say boom. Okay, then just so it will display the message boom, that is striked, and chance will be decreased by -1. So we will get 3 chances, it will be decreased by -1. So then it will change the color of this sprite, that is the rocket, and it will wait for 1 second, then hide it, and again wait for 1 second, it will not be shown, and again it will be shown. Then again, if a treasure, it's the same programming is done for treasure 2 and treasure 3. Finally we are checking the chance. If chance is equal to 0, means if we don't have now, if we all 3 chances are over, then it will display game over for 2 seconds and stop all. Stop all is basically it will stop all the treasures from falling. So, and one more thing, I have used timer, that how much time I am playing this game. So now I will demonstrate how we are going to play this game. We have to just click on green flag. As soon as we will click, the treasure will take its position. We have to save it from striking, and as soon as it will strike, it will disappear, it will change its color, and this way we will get 3 chances. Again it will start. So I'm stopping it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you and have a nice day.